Okay, we are at 17808 East Oakwood line in Aurora. Today is July 25, 2026 at 11:32 a.m. We're checking this main sewer line after repair and offset on the transition to SDR. Okay, here's we have a 4 inches ABS plastic clean out. Here's the house. Let's check it out. Okay, here's the transition schedule 42 PVC plastic. There's a good transition. And then here's a transition to SDR plastic. Okay, we flushed 2 times the toilet and we can see all the water is draining properly. The pipe consists in SDR 35 plastic towards the city tap connection. The line, we don't see any blockage, no offsets, no cracks, no bellies. The line looks in perfect working conditions. Okay, here's the end. There's the CD main tap connection at 80 feet. We have a good transition. Okay, CD tap connection. All right, thank you for watching.